सो हेलो दोस्तों, तो वापस से आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे एक नए वीडियो में जहां हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं अबाउट लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। ठीक है, तो बेसिकली बेटा अभी इन अवर लास्ट क्लास व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट व्हाट इज लाइट एंड देन वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट व्हाट इज रिफ्लेक्शन एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। ठीक है, सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग हम एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन कर लेते हैं विद द बेसिक टर्म्स सो दैट कि आपको आगे समझने में बहुत आसानी होगी। ठीक है, ओके, सो सी दिस इज आवर मिरर, there will be one normal and then there is one incident ray. This is an incident ray. And when this light touches the surface, then what will happen? It will reflect back in a same medium. So in our previous class we have discussed that the bouncing back of light in a same medium is known as reflection. So what will happen? This ray of light will touch this boundary or touch the surface of a mirror, and after that it reflects back in a same medium. So let's say this is A, this is O, this is B, and this is N. Got it, friends? And the angle between the incident ray and the normal ray is angle of incidence, and the angle between normal ray and reflected ray is known as angle of reflection. ठीक है, अब हम देखते हैं as we discuss कि this is one is a incident ray, so this ray is known as reflected ray, and this will be known as a normal, which is always perpendicular. Perpendicular means beta this makes always 90 degree with the surface. This makes 90 degree with the surface. So I hope all of you understood what is a incident ray, what is reflected ray, and what is a normal. ठीक है, so let's discuss the first law of reflection. So वो क्या है बेटा? वो है the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal all lie on the same plane. जैसे हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं बेटा, जो incident ray and reflect ray and the normal they all lie on the same plane. Got it? So this one is our first law. Now moving on to our next law. Okay friends, so our next law is the angle of reflection is always equal to the angle of incidence. ठीक है, so let's understand what is the angle of incidence. So as I explained, the angle formed between incident ray and normal is known as angle of incidence, and the angle formed between the normal and reflected ray is known as angle of reflection. Got it? Now, so according to this law, what it says that this angle is always equals to this angle. So what we can write? We can write it as angle I is always equals to the angle R. ठीक है दोस्तों, तो let's check. So what we can say? We can say that angle AON is equals to the angle NOB, or we can say angle I is always equals to the angle R. So this is our second law of reflection. ठीक है दोस्तों, ठीक है, तो अभी हमने डिस्कस किया द लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, फर्स्ट वन एंड सेकेंड वन. ठीक है, नाउ टेल मी वन थिंग, ये जो हम लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन है हमारा, क्या ये हर जगह एप्लीकेबल है? सपोज इफ आई टेक स्फेरिकल सरफेस, इज इट एप्लीकेबल हियर? So the answer is yes, because each and every surface follows the laws of reflection. This is a very basic condition. ठीक है, so now moves to okay. अभी मैं बार बार एक ये मिरर बना रहा था, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, दिस इज नोन एज अ प्लेन मिरर. व्हाट वी कैन से, दिस वन इज अ प्लेन मिरर, जो हमारे घर में भी होता है. तो बेसिकली बेटा दिस इज अवर प्लेन मिरर विच इज पॉलिश्ड फ्रॉम वन साइड. गॉट इट. सो इफ आई पुट वन ऑब्जेक्ट दिस साइड, then there will be some characteristic of a image formed. ठीक है. So what are the characteristic? First one is the image formed is virtual. That means we cannot take this image on a screen. Now second one is the image always will be erect. मतलब if the object in this position, then image will always formed in this position, in the same way, in upside. Got it. जैसा हमारा इमेज होगा इट्स सेम टू सेम हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट होगा. सेकेंड थिंग, नाउ द थर्ड पॉइंट इज, सो द हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट एंड द हाइट ऑफ इमेज इज ऑलवेज सेम इन अ केस ऑफ प्लेन मिरर. सो HO and HI. Got it. Now okay, so the third point is the distance between the object and the mirror, and the distance appeared between mirror and image is same. That's why we can say that distance, this distance is equals to this distance. Got it. Now, and the most important thing, that the image formed by the plane mirror is laterally inverted. What? It is a laterally inverted. So basically what is a laterally inverted? So बेटा कभी भी आप किसी कांच के सामने जाके खड़े हो ना, and you will see when you move your right hand ना, आपकी जो इमेज फॉर्म हो रही है वहाँ पे आपका लेफ्ट हैंड मूव होगा और वाइस वर्सा. तो इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, दिस इज नोन एज अ लैटरली इन्वर्टेड. ठीक है दोस्तों. तो फ्रेंड्स आज के लिए इतना ही. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक होगा स्फेरिकल मिरर. थैंक यू.